Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Engde, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Nagar Vaidner East. Our today's topic is application of grammar tense. Course outcome: student formulate grammatically correct sentences. Student use correct form of the tense in the given situation. These are the learning outcomes student will achieve after watching this video. Student, in our last two videos, you all of us understood what are the different types of tenses, also the helping verb which is used in that tense. We also understood that what are the different four aspects of the tense, that is simple present, that is simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Such every aspects comes in all three time, present, past and future, but we know that in the present time action is just complete, or when we are dealing with the action, it is the action is going on or continue or complete in a present time. The same time when we are dealing with the object, the action is completed or action is over in the past. Such types of completed action indicating by the past tense. Just like a present tense has a four aspect, past tense also has a four aspect, that is simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So, number 1, so that is past, simple past tense, it indicating the action is completed in the past. Basically, yesterday, last night, last year, 2 years before ago, last week, last lecture. Okay. Such past related words are used to indicating the past tense. So, let us see the past tense. Number 1, simple past tense, to express the idea or action started and finished at a specific time in the past. I didn't see the play yesterday. Did you have dinner last night? As I told you yesterday, last night, last day, indicating is such word or such adverb is used which indicate past tense. So, simple past tense is used in this example. Verb into second form, see, didn't see is used. So, verb into second form is used, did have, okay. Also verb into second form is used. Sometimes the specific time may not be mentioned, it can be implied by context. Specific time is not a mention, but it implies by the context. I did sleep well, okay. But when you sleep, so we assume last night, okay, and last time. So, I didn't sleep well. To describe the past habit, for past habit or past action indicating by the simple past tense. They never went to the school, they always skipped the class. Then never went to the school, they always skip the class, they bunk the lecture or class. Means describe the past habit. Did you play the musical instrument when you were kids? Means the past action indicating by simple past tense of playing instrument, okay, of any kinds of musical instrument when you was a kid. Past continuous, subject plus was were plus verb plus ing plus object, okay. Means was were is used with the V4 form of the verb. In V4 form, it is ing form is used, okay. Means was verb plus ing form is used in this tense. In this tense indicating the action was continue when you are dealing with the subject matter, the action was continue that time in the past, but it is incomplete in the past. For an action going on at the time in the past, means it is not complete, it is incomplete action. That's why continuous tense is also called as the incomplete tense. Kavya was enjoying the game at unfair. Sushti was preparing for it entrance exam. Okay. Sushti was preparing it for entrance exam. Okay. Means action is continuing in past tense, but now you don't know either complete or not. The past continuous and simple past are used together when when a new action happen in the middle of longer action. Means past continuous and simple past Same times are used when in middle of longer action is happen. Simple past used later. While I was writing the mail, the computer suddenly went off. In this tense, was writing past continuous tense is used, okay, and then past simple past is used. As we know that the action of continuous first is happening, and then simple past, that is the computer suddenly went off action is there. Okay, what we are doing, I called you. Okay, what were you are doing when I called you, means were doing, means the continuous action is there when I called you. Okay, call, that is a simple past verb into second form is used. In this way, simple past tense is used in the middle of action of continuous tense of longer action. I was writing, this is a longer continuous action, but suddenly that time electricity off, that's the result your computer shut down or computer is suddenly went off. That were, what were you doing? Okay, what are you doing at that time? This is a longer action and continuous action, but suddenly I was called you. That time someone called you. Means past continuous, past simple past, both tense are used in the same example. First of all, we use past continuous tense, then simple past is used. It is also with always continuous, continuously and constantly and persist habit, the past. She was always coming in the class late, means habitual. Any kinds of habit, any kinds of continuity, past continuous tense is used. I didn't like them because they were continuously complaining. Past perfect tense, it is used, the action is perfectly completed in the past. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object, this is the most simple and easy tense to transferring into passive voice or in direct indirect. The verb tense never change, that's why it is very easy to student, okay, because there is no change in its verb. The verb indicate action is totally completed. Okay, this is the last past tense in a, this is last past tense in a past tense, that is a perfect, that's why it is called as a past perfect tense. We do not have a helping verb rather than it. To indicate the completed action before the certain point of time in the past. When we arrived, the film had started. When we arrived there, when we reached at the station, train had left the station. Okay, means in both example, when we arrive, simple past is there, when you arrive, but when at the action of arrival, the film had already started. The action of reaching at the station, train already depart. May had departed, had left the station, had started, indicate a simple, sorry, past perfect tense. I had never seen such a beautiful beach before I went to Miami. Okay, I had never seen, means ever I didn't see, haven't seen such a beach in my life before, till or before this moment. Okay, to express the idea that something occurred before other action in the past, means some actions or incidents, okay, or action occurred before another action in the past. When I reached home, my mother had left the office. Just I told you large number, when I at the station, train already left the station. Same action is used here. I had written the letter before he arrived. Had written, okay, had left, past perfection is given. To express the idea, sometime occurred before other action in the past. Past perfect continuous tense is tense indicating that the some action is partly complete in the past and the remaining action is incomplete, which is continuous toward the present, but still it is incomplete. An action began back before certain point in the past and continue up to the time. For example, he had been writing a novel for 2 months. From last 2 months, he is working on writing novel. From that day to till date, the 2 year span is over, but till today he is also continuing work on his novel. She had been living in Mumbai for 10 years. She had been living in Mumbai for 10 years span is already over, and continue he will also doing the same thing. Such action indicated by past perfect continuous tense. So students, these are the past tense. Past tense action which is happen in the past. Yesterday, now, yesterday, last week, last night, last year, last lecture. Such are the past related verb or adverb with which is used to indicating the past tense. So simple past, continuous past, perfect past, past perfect continuous tense. It has also the 4 types of different tenses. So if you want to understood the past perfect tense, we know that in simple past, so verb into second form is used, but sometimes for making questions or negation we use did plus V1 in simple past tense, either verb into second form or did plus V1. Then past continuous tense was verb plus ing is used. In past perfect tense, had plus V3 is used. Past perfect continuous tense, had plus been plus verb plus ing is used. Also, it has some rules and some specification where to use the tense. If you know all these things, so you can easily understood the tense and easily using the exact form of the verb as well as the tense in respective grammatical usage. So I hope student you learn this topic very well. Thank you very much.